Hey, what's up everybody? We are at King of the Hammer. There's my dad and my son right there. We're gonna go for a little ride. So here we go.
Is where they do the rock crawling and all the...
Where? Yeah, just nothing out here. It's just all flat, boring.
Where I went to the entrance. That's where see all these outhouses? Because at night, there's thousands of people up this hill right here. And they're crawling. Like when you were down at the bottom, there was an entrance. You could see the rocks. This thing could never make it. You got to have something like what they got over there.
Oh, all those rocks over there?
Yeah, and then they go through here. And everybody's in front. People blow their hands off out here. Everything. It's crazy.
That's a Hummer.
It's a Hummer. I'm back to
Like a little light bee, huh?
Yeah.
That's cool, man. How old are you?
9 years old.
Oh, right on, man. I got the same gloves. Thanks, man. Yeah, he's got a little, like a little Stasic bike. Yeah. That's a Hummer.
It's a Hummer. I'm back to
Like a little light bee, huh?
Yeah.
That's cool, man. How old are you?
9 years old.
Oh, right on, man. I got the same gloves. Thanks, man. Yeah, he's got a little, like a little Stasic bike. Yeah. 16 inch.
Yeah.
Oh, you've been riding since you're 15, probably.
He's 4 now.
Nice job.
And
So that's electric too.
Yeah.
So he actually has a big one like this too, the yellow.
well, it's a, yeah. Here, I'll show you.
Oh yeah, because you can see the crazy.
Slippery?